This isn't just a tutorial. It covers 38 real camera movements. If you don't know them, your AI videos will look like a beginner made them, no matter how cool they seem. If you want your AI videos to look truly professional, watch all 38 movements until the end. This is the exact difference between a normal video and a video that goes viral. I searched the whole internet to find the most important movements for you. But here is a big tip. I used Grok AI to make all the videos in this tutorial. I want to show you how to get movie-quality results with the right tools and knowledge, even with free options like Grok. This tutorial is different for one main reason. I tested each movement 2 times. First, I used a static photo so you can see exactly what is moving. Second, I used a real prompt in Grok to show the full video result. Also, I put all the prompts and photos in Google Drive so you can use them easily. I've organized everything there for you. To make sure you don't miss access to these files and my upcoming advanced tutorials, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. No long intros, no extra talk, and no boring theory. Just the key facts about AI camera control. If you really want to control the camera yourself, this is the only video you need. Let's go. Number 1. Slow Dolly In. This eye-level push gently closes the distance to the subject, building intimacy and focus without distraction. By drawing the viewer in, it effectively heightens tension or underscores a realization while maintaining a realistic feel. Number 2. Slow Dolly Out. A backward-moving camera reveals more of the environment as the subject recedes, shifting focus from character to world. It emphasizes isolation, scale, or consequence, and works best at emotional endings, realizations, or transitions where the environment overtakes the subject, such as finales, reveals, or thematic punctuation. Number 3. Fast Dolly In, or rush. A fast, forward-moving camera push that aggressively closes distance, intensifying tension and emotion. It works by pulling viewers into the subject's psychological state, best used at moments of realization, danger, or emotional peaks, especially in tight or focused spaces where the reaction drives the scene. Number 4. Vertigo effect, or dolly zoom. This camera move pairs backward motion with an opposing zoom to distort space and create psychological unease. It conveys inner panic or sudden realization while keeping the subject dominant in frame, and works best during moments of shock or fear in confined, depth-rich spaces like corridors or stairwells. Number 5. Macro zoom. This angle uses an extreme macro push-in to create a sense of penetration and discovery, turning the familiar human face into an abstract, almost cosmic landscape. It's ideal for dramatic, sci-fi, medical, or psychological moments to visually suggest inner worlds, transformation, or hidden truths, especially in controlled or stylized lighting.
Number 6. Hyperzoom. This extreme axial zoom compresses vast distances into one seamless move, taking the viewer from macro scale to human scale without a cut. It quickly establishes location, scale, and momentum while grounding the audience in a specific place, ideal for opening scenes, trailers, or transitions where big stakes focus into personal moments. Number 7. Over the shoulder, or OTS. This angle looks past a foreground figure to create intimacy and perspective, placing the viewer inside the scene. It works well for dialogue or confrontation, maintaining spatial clarity while highlighting reactions, ideal for tense conversations, interrogations, or reveals in controlled settings. Number 8. Fisheye, or peephole. This exaggerated wide-angle view curves the frame outward, positioning the viewer as a hidden observer. The distortion creates tension, unease, and a sense of voyeurism, making subjects feel watched or trapped. It works best for surveillance or psychological moments, especially in confined spaces like hallways, doorways, elevators, or interrogation rooms. Number 9. Reveal from behind, or wipe.
This lateral reveal from a blocked frame builds suspense by gradually exposing the subject. It withholds information, guides the viewer's eye with motivated movement, and works best for moments of discovery or introduction using natural foreground elements. Number 10. Through shot or fly-through aperture. A forward-moving camera passes through a physical barrier, pulling the audience into the scene. It builds momentum, discovery, and the feeling of entering a hidden world. Use it for reveals, transitions, or turning points, especially when moving from enclosed spaces into larger, meaningful environments.
Number 11. Reveal from blur. Focus pull. This shot uses a focus pull instead of camera movement, leading the viewer from abstraction to clarity. The gradual sharpen builds anticipation and emotional impact without distraction. It's best used for introductions or moments of realization, opening shots, character reveals, or transitions where the subject is discovered, not abruptly shown. Number 12. Rack focus, foreground to background. This rack focus uses a neutral camera position and a controlled focus pull to shift attention within the same frame. It guides the viewer's eye without a cut, revealing new story or emotional information. Use it for moments of realization or transition, especially in controlled lighting where depth separation is clear. Quick pause here, guys. I searched the whole internet to curate this specific list for you. If you're getting value from these techniques so far, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel and motivates me to keep creating high-quality guides like this. Number 13. Tilt up. This upward tilt reveals the subject from ground to face, guiding the viewer's attention with intention and building presence. It's effective for introducing characters with authority or mystery, and works best at moments of reveal or arrival, especially in grounded, atmospheric locations. Number 14. Tilt down. This tilt down angle moves vertically from the subject's face to their feet, guiding the viewer's attention in a controlled reveal. It's effective because it introduces character and detail gradually, building presence without cutting away. Use it during character introductions or fashion-focused moments. Number 15. Lateral truck left. This is a lateral eye-level tracking move, where the camera slides left parallel to the subject. The angle is effective because the strong parallax adds depth, motion energy, and spatial clarity without disorienting the viewer. Use it during moments of discovery, tension buildup, or character observation. Number 16. Lateral truck right. This lateral rightward trucking angle keeps the subject framed while the background shifts in opposing depth layers, enhancing spatial clarity and motion energy. It's most effective in scenes that need visual momentum or environmental scale.
Number 17. Orbit 180, half circle. This camera angle encircles the subject at eye level, maintaining constant distance while shifting perspective. It is effective because it reveals spatial depth and character presence without breaking continuity, creating a sense of motion and immersion. Number 18. Fast 360 orbit, spin. This is a rapid orbital camera angle that encircles the subject at high speed, creating kinetic motion. It's effective because it amplifies intensity, dominance, and momentum while visually isolating the subject as the stable core of chaos. Number 19. Slow cinematic arc. This slow arc places the camera in constant lateral motion, circling the subject to reveal her profile with restraint. The movement is effective because it adds emotional depth and visual intimacy without distracting cuts. Number 20. Pedestal Down. This downward vertical camera move shifts the viewer's eye from authority to vulnerability, subtly reducing the subject's dominance in frame. It's effective for grounding emotion and emphasizing release or introspection. Number 21. Pedestal Up. This upward vertical movement elevates the subject's presence, signaling growth, realization, or empowerment. It works because the changing perspective visually reinforces emotional ascent.
Number 22. Crane up, high angle reveal. This upward retreating angle expands the viewer's awareness. It works because it transforms intimacy into scale, revealing context and emotional magnitude. Number 23. Crane down, landing. This descending angle draws the audience into the character's personal space. It's effective because it converts grandeur into intimacy. Number 24. Smooth optical zoom in. This is a static camera with a controlled lens zoom that tightens the frame without physical movement. It's effective because it draws the viewer inward psychologically, intensifying intimacy while subtly isolating the subject from their surroundings. Number 25. Smooth optical zoom out. The camera remains still while the lens widens, allowing the world to unfold around the subject. This angle is effective because it transitions focus from character to environment, adding narrative context without distraction. Number 26. Snap zoom, crash zoom. This uses a sudden extreme lens zoom to shock the viewer with no visual transition. It's effective because it mirrors surprise or realization, forcibly locking attention onto the subject's emotion. We've seen 26 moves so far. I'm curious, in your opinion, which one of these effects makes an AI video look the most real? Drop the number or the name in the comments below. I read and reply to as many as I can. Number 27. Drone flyover, high altitude. This high, forward-moving aerial angle places the camera far above the action, emphasizing scale and movement. It is effective because it visually contrasts the small human presence against a vast environment. Number 28. Epic drone reveal. This rising and tilting camera angle creates a dramatic reveal by controlling what the audience sees and when. It is effective because it builds anticipation and delivers a powerful sense of discovery. Number 29. Large-scale drone orbit. The orbiting aerial angle keeps the subject centered while the world rotates around it, reinforcing dominance or isolation. It is effective because it visually communicates scale and importance simultaneously. Number 30. Top-down, God's eye view. This straight-down angle abstracts the scene into graphic geometry, emphasizing isolation and destiny. It's effective for symbolism and scale, best used at pivotal, mythic moments.
Number 31. FPV Drone Dive. The plunging angle creates visceral speed and urgency, pulling the viewer into the action. Use it to heighten tension during chases or reveals in dense vertical environments. Number 32. Handheld, documentary style. Shot at eye level with slight instability, this angle feels intimate and truthful. The organic motion sells authenticity. Use it during interviews or verite moments inside lived-in interiors to heighten realism. Number 33. Whip pan. A fast lateral sweep that disorients then reveals. This angle injects kinetic energy and surprise. Use it to bridge spaces or reveal action beats in dynamic interiors or continuous environments. Number 34. Dutch angle, roll. The tilted perspective destabilizes the viewer, mirroring inner turmoil. Use it sparingly in confined spaces to visually amplify psychological tension at key emotional beats. Number 35. Leading shot, backward tracking. The eye-level backward tracking angle places the viewer face-to-face with motion, creating immediacy and confidence. It's effective because the steady retreat maintains focus while amplifying momentum. Number 36. Following shot, forward tracking. This trailing angle positions the audience in pursuit, emphasizing journey and mystery. It works by preserving directionality and emotional distance.
Number 37. Side tracking, parallel. This profile tracking angle moves laterally with the subject, maintaining constant distance and rhythm. It's effective because it preserves motion energy while clearly showcasing body language and environment flow. Number 38. POV Walk. This eye-level POV places the viewer inside the action. It's effective for immersion and realism by mimicking human movement. Use it to convey presence and intimacy during explorations, arrivals, or experiential journeys. And that's the full list. As I said at the start, mastering these moves is the difference between a normal video and one that goes viral. So, go ahead and share this video with your creator friends so they can level up their content too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.